shifting this negative sign here. So I'm just going to write out this side first. Two negatives make a positive, so we're going to have positive 8x to the 6th power. Two negatives make a positive, so we're going to have positive 6x to the 5th power. This negative cancels out this positive, so we're going to have negative 9x squared. Two negatives make a positive, so we're going to have plus 4. And next we're going to write out this in numerical order with the exponent. So we're going to start off with this one here since it's the height. So we have 3x to the 7th power. So we're going to cancel that out to make it easier for me. We have this 6 here, so I'm going to put plus 8x to the 6th power. Next we have two terms with an exponent of 5. So we're going to have negative 3x to the 5th power plus 6x to the 5th power. And so that would be this one and this one. And next we are going to go to the negative 9x squared. Cancel that. And then we're going to go to the 6x. I accidentally crossed that out because I got confused, but we have plus 6x. And then we have these two terms left. They don't have any exponents or any variables, so we're just going to have negative 3 plus 4. Now we're going to combine the like terms and just go down. So we have 3x to the 7th power plus 8x to the 6th power. And since these two are like terms, negative 3 plus 6 equals positive 3x to the 5th power. This doesn't have anything to go with it, so we're going to have negative 9x squared. We're just going to bring that one down, have positive 6x. Negative 3 plus 4 equals positive 1. And this is our answer right here. So next we're going to be multiplying these two expressions here by using the FOIL method. And the FOIL method is first, outside, inside, last. So I'm just going to write these two out again. 4a plus 7b times 5a minus 3b. And by writing it out again, it makes it easier for me to solve. So first, our first terms are 4a and 5a. So I'm putting 4a times 5a plus our outside terms, which is 4a and negative 3b. So we have 4a times negative 3b. Next we have our inside terms, 7b and 5a. 5a. And now our last, which is 7b and negative 3b. So we have 20a squared when we multiply these two. Then we have negative 12ab. Next we have 35ab. And we are left with negative 21b squared, since there's b. So we have 20a squared minus 12ab plus 35ab minus 21b squared. And these two are like terms, so it's going to be 12 plus 35 is plus 23ab minus 21b squared. And this is our answer. Coefficient with this coefficient, and that's going to give us negative 12. And we're going to find two terms that factor into negative 12 that adds up to equal positive 4. And that is negative 2 and positive 6a. And I'm putting an a here because we're going to substitute And this term here with these two values. So we're going to rewrite the problem as 4a squared minus 2a. We're going to group that together. And we have 6a minus 3. So we're going to factor these two parentheses out. And here we're going to have 2a on the outside. And we're going to have 2a on the inside to equal 4a squared. And we're going to have negative 1 here to equal negative 2a. And for this one, we have 3 on the outside because those are the only two factors of 3 and 6a. And we're going to have 2a here to equal 6a. And we're going to have negative 1 here to equal negative 3. So now, in order to get the answer, we see that these two are the same. So we have 2a minus 1, and we have 2a plus 3 here. So we have 2a plus 3, and there's some here. So we're going to be solving this equation by factoring, and we're going to find two terms that multiply to equal 25, and two terms, and the same two terms have to add up to equal 10. And we're going to have x plus 5 and x plus 5 since we're factoring. 5 times 5 does equal 25, and 5 plus 5 equals 10. So because we are setting it to 0, we have to find out the value of x where this will actually equal to 0. So we're going to subtract negative 5 and negative 5 because clearly they both equal 0. So the value of x equals negative 5 here. Value of x equals negative 5 here. And negative 5 is our answer.
Okay, so first we're going to solve this equation, and the first step into solving this equation is distributing. So what we're going to do is distribute this negative 5 into everything inside of this parentheses. So we're going to go negative 5 in x, which is going to leave us to negative 5x, and then you're going to get negative 5 and positive 1 together, and it's going to give us negative 5. And then we're just going to bring everything else down, so plus 9x and minus 1. So next we're going to combine like terms, and these two have the same variable, so we're going to combine them. And then these two together gives us 4x. And then we're just going to bring everything else down. So minus 5 equals negative 1. And then we're just going to try to simplify by finding x. So we're going to add 5 to both sides. And then next what we're going to do is negative 1 plus 5 equals negative 4. And then we're just going to bring this down. And then what we're going to do to get the x alone right here is divide 4 onto both sides. So we're going to get x equals negative 1. Okay, so this second question says to determine the degree, terms, and the coefficients of this value. So the degree of this value is going to always, or any value is going to always be based on your exponent. So the degree of this is 4. Your terms in this will be the entire problem along with any other. So your term will be 2x cubed. Your coefficient will be all of your numbers, your real numbers. So coefficient is 2. Okay, so this next problem asks us to evaluate an expression. So I'm going to use PEMDAS for this. So there are exponents. So what I'm going to do is multiply 3 times 3, which is 9. And I'm going to bring the rest of the problem down. Next on the PEMDAS is multiplication. So I'm going to see 4 times 9 is 36. Going to bring everything down as well. And the next part is division. So negative 8 divided by 2, negative 4. I'm going to add everything else to this part. And I'm going to solve from left to right. So 36 minus 4 is 32. And 32 plus 5 equals 37. turquoise, collard green.